Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. We've got a really nice one today. You've already seen the kilometers. 2016 Hyundai Elantra. Wow, that's all I can say. Hyundai Elantra, wow. These type of kilometers, what a buy. GLS, got the sport exhaust tip, local trade, got the upgraded alloy wheels, get the upgraded engine, get the sunroof, fog lights. Wait to see some of the interior features. I know that the main selling point of this car though, the kilometers. The kilometers are amazing. Hood, roof, everything's in really nice shape. I'm just gonna open that trunk real quick so everybody can see inside. Nice size trunk. You got levers to fold those seats down. You have anchors on the seats as well, so if you have any child seats, you can do that. But you can fold those seats down, put them down, get some additional cargo space. You have a spare under there as well. So again, good size trunk, the ability to fold those seats down, get the additional cargo space. All neat things to have when you're purchasing a vehicle. How about this? Heated seats in the rear. Nice feature for the passengers or your kids. You have some cup holders here which you can fold up. Room for 5 passengers. Cloth's in really nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. Go through here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have locking rear windows. Great feature for the kids. You have adjustable manually adjustable driver's seat, so up, down, left, right, back support, front to back. You have active eco, so you can drive it as most efficient you can. You have interior illumination. You have traction control, which you can shut off. I should mention, remote starter built in, so that's a nice feature to have on the fobs. Turn it on, turn that down. So all your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition, Bluetooth and hands-free calling on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, all your cruise controls, your trip odometers, your modes as well, so you can drive it in normal, sport, or comfort mode, electric steering, so you try it out, see what's best for you. What else we got in this one? You know, your 12 volt, your connectors right here, a little storage compartment as well. You have 2-stage heated seats on both sides. It's a nice feature for you and your passenger. Here's your air conditioning, front rear defrost, really easy to use, simplistic. Your hazard lights here. We move up, here's your little touch screen, backup camera, and I like to show you, I believe, XM. So you got XM radio on this one. So if you have a subscription, you can transfer it over. If you'd like to try a subscription, you have the ability to do that. Negotiate a great deal with them. It's really cool to listen to. I like it. So cloth seats, everything's in nice shape. Dash is in nice shape. Overall, very nice vehicle with 18,343 kilometers. Man, that's low kilometers. So low kilometers, local trade, Elantra, full of standard features, GLS package. What else can I tell you about it? It's a great buy. You won't go wrong. Yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to answer them. Call, text, or email us. If you have any questions, we're happy to answer them, like I just said. Shop 24/7 at CWHyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. And make sure you follow us on Facebook. We're always doing cool giveaways. So whether you're in the market or not, it pays to follow us on social media. Talk to you soon.